follow my lead. Ready, baby cakes? Just relax. Go with it. Music for a dance.
Dance with her.
You let me borrow your sweetheart. Oh, sorry. Unless...
So you'll help me find him?
Are much cuter than her slimy fish, don't you? Turn into rats. I think my rats turn into fish when they die. I get all the bad ones who jizz it. You got it from the Lady of Souls, didn't you? Ling Po gets all the good people.
Then...
That's no ordinary fish. A fish.
Really? You know where Kun is?
Fish? Well, as it happens, I've seen my neck of the woods.
I'm looking for fish.
How can I help you, handsome? What brings smells like love? Ah, scent, that provocative perfume. What an enchanter. They'll strip him to the bone.
These rats try and eat Kun?
You can be sure.
Oh, rats! Lots of them! Coon? Coon?
Doing this. Joe, thanks for...
I knew it'd be nasty, but not this nasty.
Joe! Be careful!
Besides, your mother would have a fit if you got lost too. You sit tight. I've got it covered.
My feet. I'm gonna look.
What? You can't go in.
It's him.
Ew. Nasty. But I bet he's there. Over here. Here! Find him. Don't worry. I know where to...
My mother threw Kun away.
Where are you going? You alright? Chun.
Stop following me. That thing is a human life!
What? You stop playing with that thing.
Mother, were you in my room?
Yes? What's wrong with that?
What did you... I'll get you home again. Prom. Kun, you keep growing. They want you to come home. Your family's calling you. Just like your namesake. Amazing flight. It's true. Here, I will try something. You do remember. Be with you. Remember that? Remember when a red dolphin played in the... You want to play, don't you? You're growing.
It's salty. Rain this time of year. That's unusual.
Kun? Kun?
Stay off her wings for a few days. She'll be all right.
Oh, thank goodness.
That's a relief.
See, Fawn, she's gonna